You talk a lot about, and you've written about, the inner world.
Yes.
What do you mean by the inner world?
I think simple way to explain affection. It's just sort of human expression, or even animal. That I think topmost precious to us. But that affection cannot be produced by machine, or affection cannot buy with dollar. So affection is something our inner, I'll say, quality. So human being, as a living being, and moreover, we are a social animal. Therefore, in order to be happier human being, affection is most important factor. So sometimes I feel in modern society, we neglect about this inner value, and then we just seeking comfort from external means. So that way, even some of my friend, billionaire, very rich, but as a person, very unhappy person. Why? Not due to lack of external or material facility, or their fame, or their power, or their sort of privileges, but because lack of inner value. This is my feeling.